Good afternoon, guys. Well, today is day 2 actually, and yeah, let's see how this vlogging scene goes actually. And yeah, so today I'm starting in the afternoon actually, just because morning I had a small delivery, nothing much to do. Finished that and I had a nice shave and all. So yeah, now let's see what I have to do. The office is right over here. Wait, yeah, right over here. So yeah, we'll catch you soon then. Okay, so I was getting bored at office actually, so just thought I'll pick up some stuff for the house. Like just picked up over here. You can see I have a small bag of Lulu, some groceries kind of thing, and this is the place, Lulu supermarket. Wait 1 minute. Yeah. So yeah, now back to the office and yeah, off to lunch. Back at home then after that. So yeah, we'll see you all soon then. Okay guys, so after the Lulu shopping, went to the office, did some paperwork and all, and got home, and then afterwards had lunch and all, back out again. Now going to pick up my friend Sandeep again, who was in the vlog yesterday. Now probably we might be going to a garage or some car place. So yeah, let's check it out then. So you need to give my car over here for a checkup. So let's see how it goes in here. Hey guys, so I did pick up my friend Sandeep again. Yeah, so apparently right now we are heading to check out a garage for my car, and yeah, stuck in traffic. So apparently this is the scene, traffic all around, going at the speed limit of nothing actually at the moment. So yeah, let's reach there and we'll show you all the place then. Yeah. Okay guys, so just came out from the part shop actually. So this is the part shop over here. So yeah, I got a quotation for whatever was wrong and all with the car, and yeah, now off to get the finance to fix it up and probably come back here tomorrow then. Yeah, so we'll catch you soon then again. Okay guys, so I'm back down my building. So apparently we just got the quotation for the car repair, and yeah, going to go speak to folks on what to do and all, whether to go ahead on fixing the car or whatever the scene is. So yeah, so after that just went to Spinny's near my building and chilled out there for some time. Now back home. It's only like what 7 PM now. I thought let's go home, get to bed early, as tomorrow is Thursday and weekend kind of thing. So yeah, late night out kind of thing. So let's see what happens tomorrow then. So I hope you guys like this video. Share if possible and subscribe as well if you haven't. Yeah, take care then. Hope to see you soon. By the way, second day over done, and then some more days to go. So let's see how it goes. Like waiting to complete 30 days in a row. So yeah, catch you guys soon then. Yeah, take care.